This chicken and broccoli and cashew stir fry is so good and it only has 5 ingredients.
A generous dollop of peanut oil in, and then I've got my chicken chopped up fairly finely. I'm just going to stir fry that. The chicken's going to cook quite quickly, so we just want to keep it moving around the pan. So you can see the chicken's going white fairly quickly. Probably take us like 2 minutes to get the chicken kind of starting to brown. So it's starting to just brown up a little bit. I'll get the broccoli in, cook it until the broccoli kind of thaws out and goes tender. Broccoli's probably been cooking about 5 minutes now and it's tender and defrosted. There's a bit of watery liquid on the bottom. That's just the broccoli water. But it's going to help to make our sauce. So we're just going to have about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and then just about a tablespoon of lime juice to give it some freshness. And we'll just stir that through, and then I'm just going to finish off with about a cup of roasted cashews. And quite generous with the cashews. We're not serving this with rice, so we kind of need to make it quite filling.
So before we go, I'm Jules Clancy. I'm a food scientist from Australia, and I teach food lovers how to cook without recipes so you enjoy eating healthier with ease and also so you feel good in your clothes. One of the things, apart from the simplicity that makes my recipes unique, is that I always include a list of variations for different dietary requirements or if you're missing a particular ingredient. So with this stir fry, chicken is like a favorite go-to, but you could use beef, you could use meatballs. If you're vegetarian, you can use tofu or tempeh, and chickpeas work surprisingly well in this stir fry. Not traditional, of course. And in terms of sauce, if you didn't have oyster sauce, you can just use soy sauce. You wouldn't need as much soy sauce because it tends to be saltier. That works well, or any of the other Asian sauces like hoisin or a sweet soy sauce can work really well here. And then if you're nut free, you could use roast seeds. What else have we got? Oh yeah, and different veggies. I love this with broccoli, but any veg that you're happy to stir fry will work really well. Or you can make the stir fry without any veg and then serve on a bed of veggie rice, like this frozen cauliflower rice works really, really well. So hope you've enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get more easy recipes in your feed. Okay, see you soon.